Let's continue with question 21. Roy used a quarter of his money on 3 pen and 6 notebook. The cost of each pen is 3 times the cost of each notebook. He bought some more pens with 2/3 of his remaining money. So how many pens did Roy buy altogether? Okay, so this question is difficulty level is 4, so it's gonna be a bit more difficult than the others. I'm going to draw a model for this one. Let me draw it over here. Okay, I need to cut into 4 parts. Razor working, yep. Okay, so this amount of money over here, 1/4, okay, is basically 3 pen plus 6 notebook. Right, over here it tells us something that's very important. Okay, the pen is 3 times the cost of each notebook, which means that you're going to let the pen be equal to 3 units and the notebook be equal to 1 unit. The cost of each pen is 3 times the cost of each notebook. Okay, so we're going to convert this 3 pen plus 6 notebook into units, which means that if 3 pen is equals to 3 units, that means, sorry, 3 pen, if a pen is equals to 3 units, that means 3 pen will be equal to 9 units, right? Okay, so which means that this whole thing is equals to 9 plus 6, which is 15 units. Okay, so the next thing that he did was he bought some more pen with 2/3 of his remaining money. So remaining money will be over here. Okay, if you can see that 2/3 is just nice because this is already in 3 blocks, so I'm not gonna draw another block over here. 2/3 of his money, okay, to buy a pen. So how many pens did Roy buy altogether? So by now you should know that this is 15 units, right? Okay, which means that oh, okay, wait, thing is wrong. Okay, this is 15 units, so this is 15 units, this is 15 units. Okay, so we want to find out like that 30 units over here is equals to how many pen? Okay, 30 unit divided by 3, because each pen is 3 unit, will be equal to 10, right? Okay, so if you add on with the original 3 pen, how many pens did Roy buy altogether? Which will be 13 pen. Okay, this is the answer for question 21.